Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a contact on the Skype application. So first of all, all you need to do, just go and open the Skype application if you already have it on your PC before. If you don't, you will need to go and open whatever browser you are currently using or whatever browser working for you will be great. Once you open the browser, go to the URL section and type download Skype application. When you do that, go and hit the enter button, go to the first link and start downloading the application. Of course, the download will be like any other download. You must have been downloaded something on your PC before, so it will be pretty easy. Once it downloaded, install it and open it up. And when it's open, they will ask you to log in into your account. Of course, if you have an account, log in into it, but if you don't, you will need to go and create one. Once you did one of those options, which is creating your account or logging into your account, you'll find yourself with a home page or with a main page with the welcome sentence with your name or your username. And as we said in the beginning of the video, we would like to add a contact on the Skype application. So, of course, if you want to add a contact on the Skype application, you would like to go here to the search box at the top left corner. As you can see, you can here search for people, for messages, or even groups, or you can search for them all. Of course, once you are here at the search option, you can type the person's name or email address, IM address, or Skype phone number. So as you type, you will see actually, so all you need to do now, if you want to add someone in your contact, just right click on the person that you want to add as a contact, and as you can see, you will find this option, add contact. Just go and click on it and you will add him as your contact. So that will be actually it. You will find your contacts here once you add them and you'll be good to go. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video, and goodbye.